So, this is Dr. Amit from Department of Management, IIT Madras. I work as an associate professor, and this course is about the future of manufacturing and the role of additive manufacturing. So, I work in the area of operations management at the department, and this course will actually be co-taught by Dr. U. Chandrasekhar, who is currently with Wipro 3D. So, he would cover more aspects of additive manufacturing. So, I will just give you the brief overview what this course is all about. So, as you may be aware that manufacturing is one of the critical engines of growth. Many national economies like US, some countries in Europe, Japan, China, they actually have benefited from manufacturing. In fact, if you look at the process innovation in Japan, that allowed them to actually match up the per capita of US within about 30 years, right. So, manufacturing has been one of the most important growth engines. So, this course is about the future of manufacturing, and our emphasis in this course would be to understand what are the different manufacturing paradigms, what are the laws of manufacturing, what are the associated technologies, as well as the economics and the associated business models. So, as you may be aware that these days we talk about distributed manufacturing. So, we try to and as well as additive manufacturing. So, we try to apart from this we try to add how to actually reconfigure the supply chains along with the changes in manufacturing. So, this covers one part of the course, and the second part of the course, which is to be covered by Dr. Chandrasekhar, would be on the additive manufacturing, where he talks about the technology, the materials, and how you actually can do value addition and value engineering with additive manufacturing. So, once you finish the course, you will actually have a good overview of how the manufacturing is changing and what is actually the future of manufacturing to make it impactful, along with the associated business models and reconfiguring supply chains. Thank you.